Guys, this is the chapter 10 overview. When you open this solution, you will see two projects, a library project and a console application .NET Core console application project. Inside the library project, when you open this, you will see we'll have like two private variables that stores the text file for the logging, and then you will see a private method that writes to the log, and you have this try catch exception handling as well here, and then you have a public, the default constructor. And inside this console application, under dependencies projects, you will see we have referenced this library, and then program CS, you will see we have referenced the library as well. When you execute this project, you will see the right line methods will be okay, I am executing this method, and then there will be output plus writing into the log file. Under bin debug, you will see the default log file here, all these method calls logging, and then again we'll go to the program CS file. Let's execute it. See, the log file is written here, and press enter to exit. And if you hit yes, you will see the new updated log file, last 3 logs constructor code, and all this information on the side inside the log file.